Welcome to this SmartNet video quick guide. Today we'll be discussing using the site information tool to find out more information about a site, a metadata of a site, as well as a file availability and file quality. So let's get started. So as with everything else in the portal, first you would need to go in to log into the portal. You can see here I'm already at my main page, and I have many different choices available to me: live status, rover management, etc. But today we'll be focusing on site information. So we've made a few changes. Site information now is available either via the live status map. So I'm able to go into the live status map, zoom in to a particular station, click on it, and have station information available directly here. If I click on this station, for example, it's going to bring up my station metadata. So it has everything about the station: pictures, information about the monument, when it was installed, standards it meets, coordinates information, superseded coordinates, etc. The two new areas that we've added now are data quality information and data availability information. So this allows you a very quick way to find out about a station quality report. You'll see a checkbox, an exclamation point, or maybe a question mark, depending on if the quality information is not available for the site, or an X. Now if you do see an X, don't be scared or nervous. You do want to go in and view the complete quality report before you make a judgment on the site. We do have some pretty tight thresholds and tolerances that we put in here for us to be able to go in and analyze the data of the site. Sometimes it could be that a few epochs are missing, a few cycle slips, but it shouldn't be anything that really scares you off from using the data. But you would want to review this complete quality report. And to do that, I can look at yesterday's quality report. You can see here all my quality testing is passed. Shows me all my information that I might need, the GDOP and PDOP overall, number of epochs recorded, complete information about signal to noise ratios, observation information, percentages, pretty much anything that you could want to know about that Rhinox file or that data quality of that site is available right here in this QC file. Again, you also have the ability to search for quality report. We keep this quality report for 90 days, so you can go back in time if you should need to. On top of that, we also have the data availability information. This shows file availability, how many files were available and expected, and then a complete report for a number of files available. And these are all in GMT. So I can see very quickly here for Half Moon Bay that all 24 files were available for that day. If I did want to take this a step further, besides just looking at metadata such as the site pictures, okay, and wanted to take it a step further to actually get additional data on the site, such as the Rhinox data to download, then I can actually come in and hit Get Data here. When I hit Get Data, it's going to take you over, zoom you in to the site area, and then give you the Rhinox project information. We've done a video quick guide on the Rhinox project tool. I encourage you to come here to check it out. But by using this, of course, I have the ability to select the site code, the project time criteria, and add those files to it. If I then go to my project download, I will see quickly that I have a project that's available for download that we created in the video quick guide. So that is the site information tool. So we have a bunch of different ways to use it and get to it. The first way, of course, I showed you was directly through the live status map. And as always, what we've always had is the ability to also use the enter the site code, so I can get this information, again, the exact same way by going into Half Moon Bay, for example. Pulls it right up, and I have all that metadata, the file quality, the file availability information, serial numbers, even the RTCMID, everything that I could want with that site. So that is how to use the SmartNet site information tool. Thank you for using SmartNet, and have a great day.